अध्यक्ष वीरेंद्र सचदेवा, दिल्ली सरकार के मंत्री प्रवेश वर्मा और अन्य भाजपा नेताओं ने उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि दी। इस मौके पर दिल्ली भाजपा अध्यक्ष वीरेंद्र सचदेवा ने श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी की मां के तत्कालीन प्रधानमंत्री पंडित नेहरू को लिखे एक पत्र का जिक्र किया।
उस समय के प्रधानमंत्री पंडित नेहरू को लिखा, मैं जांच चाहती हूं। मेरे पुत्र को गिरफ्तार करके उस राज्य में भेजा गया जहां संविधान का कोई अधिकार नहीं था। मैं तुम्हारी दलीलों को झूठा मानती हूं पंडित नेहरू। तुम्हें जनता और ईश्वर दोनों के सामने उत्तर देना ही होगा।
Has actually enhanced India's reach and emerged as a global power. And similarly also, as was being mentioned briefly by Dr. Ravi Chandra, our forays into Antarctica are now also of a much superior quality compared to many other countries. In fact, we even went to the extent of performing yoga day before yesterday over there among penguins and the ice. So, and I need not mention the CSIR Global Best Practice is Purple Revolution and Lavender. The other day, I and Dr. Ravi Chandra had the opportunity of visiting the oldest lavender, the perfume village called Grasse in France. We went there simply and we have got you aligned with them. So the Consul General will soon get in touch with you. So they are wondering that they had the perfume industry in France, but there was someone here who was also cultivating it in one backyard. So that is your global best. So ladies and gentlemen, without taking your time and without causing boredom to you, I will just try to spell out for your convenience some of the global best practices emanating from each of the departments. Gap is missing possibly again because the policy earlier was not very favorably inclined to the private sector. It's only after Prime Minister Modi came in that started happening. Now, for example, we have opened up space to the private sector only in the last 4-5 years. So their capacity building has also started just now. Had it happened earlier, maybe they have. So we have not many projects, I think, under Prime Minister Modi's government. So many projects, both in infrastructure and otherwise, have been rolled out. But we don't have the sufficient private sector acumen. You have one or two companies everywhere, you keep looking for that. So I think this will take time because now there is a shift in the policy. Same is the case in nuclear sector also. Now that we have just announced this year, we'll come out with the rules. And then when the private sector understands that they are now expected to collaborate at a larger scale, they would also start building capacity for themselves.